Hello friends, welcome in Knowledge Kida. Today we will learn how to install XAMPP and learn by running one PHP code. So we will first install the XAMPP server and as well I am downloaded XAMPP from its website. In description of video I will provide link for you to download XAMPP. In between if you like video and you get some knowledge then please like it and please subscribe my channel and let's start. Open downloaded and double click on the package which is .exe file. The XAMPP is loading for installation. If that type of errors comes, please click on yes, okay. Then click on next. See here different types of installation are available like MySQL, FileZilla, etc. So you can select as per your use. I am not changing anything and click on next. Select language. Click on next. Next. Close it. Now next again. I am covering the video in slightly fast way for saving your time. Now click on install. Then open XAMPP or it will be automatically open. Start Apache and then start MySQL. Then click on admin. It will open in your browser. If it does not load and shows localhost refusing, then see my video in channel. In that I have explained about solution of localhost refusing. Now I am creating database of name KK and creating then table of name info and then go. Enter names of columns. I am creating 4 columns. Now select data types of it as per you created. Then give length for it. Then we will do primary key for ID. For that you need to knowledge of MySQL. Our table is created. Now open Sublime or your text editor. I am already written script. You can save the files in htdocs folder as I am shown in video. See the location in XAMPP and in htdoc. It is HTML file. Save this file also in that folder. .html and save. Now open browser and search for localhost and file name. I am using for display data. Click on display data, it is showing empty. Now I will go to php myadmin and enter some data and save it. Then we will again try by displaying the data. Is it working fine or not? Click here. Yes, it is working fine. Now stop your server. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. If any problem, please comment. Thank you.